Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here we got a 2013 Ford Fusion. And we're going to go over how you replace this handle and the cable. It's all one unit. And so we got a 10 millimeter, and this is the hood release handle that is broken. So we're going to replace it. So we got a 10 millimeter size bolt here that we need to loosen and remove. With that removed, you can move this. It's got a little tab in there, so you got to move it. And then you need to follow it back up here, and there's a push clamp. Oh, we got So this clamp, we got to just pull it out of the firewall there, and then up inside here is a rubber grommet. Okay, so the rubber grommet that was up in here that goes through the firewall, I've loosened it. Try to get it in there, you can't see it, but I've loosened that grommet, and now we'll go to the engine bay and do what we need to do there. Right here, this handle, there was a little clip, and so what you move it up and then pull it backward, and then you can be able to get that clip to come out. And remove that. And now we'll go remove what we need to in the engine bay to be able to pull this cable out this way. So inside the engine bay, there's this. It's right up here on the front, right behind the headlight. And it clamps down in here. But see, you need to pop this up. There's a little clip lock here. Pull that. And then we also got some here. We got to push in, one on both sides. And then we pull this cover off. And then we come back, we flip it to this side. And so you've got two cables in here. One that goes to the safety lock right here at the front, and one that goes to the other lock. So we want to pop this one. So we got the two that run to there, but we're only replacing this back one. So we pop this back one out, pop this out of here, okay, and do our best to leave this the way it is so that we don't have to fish those wires in there. And then, so there are a couple grommets here to be able to release the rest of the hood latch. Cable. So I'm just fishing these clamps off so that we can reuse them when we put the new one back in, which they just clamp, they go around the cable and they go into the side here. So with all of that removed, now we can just pull the cable out from the inside and put the new one in and slide it in and then reattach it out here. So here's what the new one looks like. A new handle, the clip, and the rubber boot that goes through the firewall, and everything is right there, and then that cable end that'll go out there. So we'll pull the one out of the out through here, and we'll fish this one back through. So we had everything loosened over there. Just should get the rest of this go. And now we can just pull everything out. And remove it. And then we can take the new one and just kind of fish it back through the same route. So I had to go up in the engine bay just to grab it to pull it through. Now we can finish feeding the rest of this through. Okay,